Have you ever dreamed about studying abroad? Maybe you just want to spark up a conversation with a native speaker when you come across them in your daily lives. You either find yourself to be a little bit lazy, or perhaps you're just exhausted with those endless grammar lessons. We at IELTS Criterion totally understand where you're coming from, and we have an exhaustive plan for you to help you achieve your goal within a short period of time. We have group lessons that help you engage and communicate with other speakers just like yourself, as well as well-educated and experienced instructors that can help guide you and give you feedback immediately when you encounter those hiccups, when you express yourself appropriately and accurately. Not only does our program give you the opportunity to study at any time, anywhere, at your own pace, but we also have live one-on-one classes, group lessons, as well as extensive materials available for you to study anywhere you'd like. So why don't you take a look and see what it's all about? This is IELTS Criterion.